Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, the 31st. Hopefully you were able to get through the lecture and brief activities from yesterday. Remember, there was a 15-minute lecture overview on the Cold War, and then I had 2 video clips on the Berlin airlift and NATO that I'd asked you to watch, and then some documents. For today, it's going to be much shorter. I have 2 very short readings for you to look at that's going to give an overview of the Cold War big picture perspective, and I do have an assignment for you, as you see up on the screen here. So after reading the 2 sets of readings, it's called Attitudes of the Cold War and Cold War Perspectives, complete the following tasks. I'll show you the questions that you can ignore on the one assignment sheet. But one, you are summarizing the manner that works best for you, however you want to summarize it, the general interpretations of the Cold War. And I'd like you to simply outline a response to the following question. Evaluate the extent to which Europe's political relationship with the United States in the period 1918 to 1939 differed from Europe's political relationship with the United States between 1945 and 1989. Okay, so those 2 time periods, 1918 to 39, 45 to 89, Europe and the United States. So those readings will certainly help. The lecture will certainly help, and the videos will certainly help. This is to turn it in on Friday. It's already set up and turn it in. So that's what we're looking at, a kind of big picture. Let me just show you the readings here. So you'll see they're very short. Cold War Perspectives, just an overview, right there and right there. And then the Attitudes, you see, very, very short. And on the bottom here, these are the questions you can ignore. You do not need to do these, so do not do these questions. Just do the readings. Technology is limited here, so that shouldn't take you very long. And obviously, you need to use your textbook as a source for this as well if you need. But again, this is just an outlined response. I'm looking for overall thesis and some evidence to support your thesis there. And that's going to be due on Friday to turn it in. You already have your Cold War Visions was due last night. I haven't checked yet. And your chapter summary is due on Friday as well. So that's pretty much all the work I'm going to have for you. The rest of the week we'll be covering some topics, and we'll just do a quick check of things that were going on regarding that lecture. So that's all I have for you today. If you have questions, I know many of you have been emailing me this morning. I'm recording this on Monday. So if you have problems, let me know. I do have my Google Meets set up. So if you do need to see me face to face, it's open, so all you have to do is ring me there. And we really won't be meeting face to face, at least this week, I don't think. Depending on the AP announcement on Friday, the 3rd, I may schedule something via Zoom. I think that's the way we're going to go there. But other than that, I hope everybody's well, and obviously if you have questions, let me know. Take care.